Who's our third one?
Right here, but she's shy.
Where at?
And your name is?
Never here.
In Pittsburgh?
Hi.
Virgin! Virgin! Jimmy, sit down! Come on! She's been to 3 River Stadium. That's not a Virgin. No, it's not Heinz Field Virgins. It's Virgins to a home Steeler game. No, I thought she said never here. Our rules and traditions mean nothing if we don't keep to them.
Thank you for the interpretation, my Pope.
Since I am the Pope, I am the God. Rabbi will say, no Virgin.
Nice, man.
No. My brothers and sisters of Steeler Nation! We gather here again today on this holy ground. Amen. To bring these 2 individuals into a family bigger than their own, across this great land of ours, and even to the moon, into Steeler Nation. Children, do you deny fanhood in any other team? Answer, I do.
I do.
All right. That's a good thing. The rabbi's going to start us off.
Hey! Oi!
Hot Steelers! The rabbi is going to go on a limb here today.
Don't go out like Pacquiao did.
Too soon.
Speaking of Pacquiao and Marquez, the rabbi was inspired while watching the fight last night. And the rabbi, since we have been without Big Ben for a few weeks, I'm calling for a blowout today. Amen. Amen. 3 touchdowns. Now, the rabbi also reached out to a very good friend of his yesterday. And you all know him very well. He's known as The Rock. And The Rock said that the Steelers will take that football and they will shine it real nice and shiny. And they're going to put that ball right on the field. And they're going to shove it straight up Phillip Rivers' candy pass.
To continue to quote The Rock, I would like to say, finally, today, Ben Roethlisberger has come back to Heinz Field. Children, today, this lesson reminds me of the story of Cain and Abel. There was 2 brothers. In the 2004 draft, there was 2 quarterbacks. One, Phillip Rivers. One, Ben Roethlisberger. We've seen how both those stories turned out. So today, Big Ben comes back, and he will lead us to victory over that crybaby, Phillip Rivers. So today, children, by the power of the Allegheny, the Ohio, and the Monongahela, in the name of welcome to Steeler Nation! Welcome to Steeler Nation!
Here we go, Steelers! Here we go!
Here we go, Steelers!
Good job, guys!
Welcome, children!
Welcome!
Welcome.
Nothing like getting beer spit all over you.